Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of the Profit Shield Investor Podcast. My name is Graham Norris, and I'm truly excited you're here. This podcast is all about real estate investing, helping real estate investors grow with confidence, protect their deals, and avoid the pitfalls that wipe too many people out of this game. Let me start by telling you a little bit about my journey. I came to the US in 2003, hungry to make something of myself. I got my real estate license and jumped into investing, and before long I'd built a portfolio of over 100 multifamily units. And on the outside it looked like I was living the dream. But here's the truth. Behind the scenes I was struggling. Closings dragged on, tenants paid late or not at all, and every time I needed legal help, it came with a $300 an hour price tag. And instead of asking for help, I tried to push through on my own. That pride and those blind spots eventually cost me everything. And in 2009, I lost my business. My cash flow collapsed and I ended up in bankruptcy. It was the hardest season of my life, but looking back, it was also the turning point because I realized success isn't just about deals, doors, and units. It's about having the right systems, the right protection, and the right mentors around me. And that's exactly why this podcast exists. The Profit Shield Investor Podcast is going to be a community and a resource for real estate investors who want to build consistent, predictable cash flow, protect their deals, and reduce the risk. Want to leverage systems instead of burning out with hustle and learn from real stories and not just theory. This isn't about hype. This is about truth, about experience, and about giving you tools you can actually apply to your business. Each episode, I'll be sharing lessons from my own journey, insights from the deal I've done, and interviews with other investors, mentors, and experts who can help you take your business to the next level. We're going to cover everything from multifamily strategies, cash flow systems, and raising capital, to legal protection, team building, and even mindset. Because let's be honest, mindset is half the battle in this business. My vision is to build a community of investors who don't just chase growth, but build businesses that last. Because too many people in this industry scale fast only to crash faster. But together, we're going to build differently. We're going to build on rock, not sand. And I want you to be part of it. If something you hear today resonates with you, hit subscribe, leave a comment, and share this with fellow investors. The more people we can bring into this conversation, the stronger and smarter we all become. I'd also like to interview you on this podcast and feature your business. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just be a listener, be a participant, take notes, engage with the community, and apply what you learn. If you're ready to take things further, I'd also be sharing updates about the Profit Shield Growth System, a framework I created to solve the three biggest killers of investor growth: cash flow gaps, legal blind spots, and burnout. So stick with me and I promise you'll not only learn how to scale your portfolio, but how to do it with confidence, security, and freedom. I'm Graham Norris and this is the Profit Shield Investor Podcast. So let's get started.